Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday morning and it's time for your phonics. Now, while I'm filming this, it is really raining outside, so you might be able to hear a little bit of rain on my roof. Hopefully it's not too loud and you can hear me louder than you can hear the rain. Okay, we're going to learn another new special friend today, and this one is used in quite a lot of words that we say and we read and we write. Are you ready? It is O. O. O, O, O. 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 O, O, O. Brilliant. Here is the picture, and it's a polar bear, and polar bears live in the snow. And this polar bear is blowing the snow. He's blowing it, can you see? And he says, "Oh, blow the snow." Oh, blow the snow. Oh, blow the snow. Can you see him? Blow the snow. Oh, blow the snow. Brilliant. And here are the two letters that make this special friend. An O and a W. O is the sound that it makes. O. O, blow the snow. O. O, blow the snow. O. O, W. Let's play our game. Are we ready? Brilliant, super spotting there. O, blow the snow. O. Let's pop it in with some of the sounds that we know really well. I'm going to get a few of our sounds together. You see it there? There's a small version. O, blow the snow. O. I'm going to hide it in with the sounds that we already know. Super speedy. When you see it, touch your nose. Off you go. Oh, there already, straight away. Let me hide it a bit better than that one. Off you go. Lots of special friends in this pack today. Where is it? There it is. Let's hide it again. Brilliant. One last time. Oops. Super. O. Remember, this one is O. Brilliant. Well done. Okay, Fred, let's have some sounds and let's put those sounds into words. Are we ready? G, L, O. G, L, O. G, L, O. G, L, O. Glow. Brilliant. Sh, O. Sh, O. Sh, O. Sh, O. Show. Super. F, L, O. L-O, 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 flow, L-O, flow. Snow, snow, we had lots of this. Snow, snow, snow. Fantastic. Okay, handwriting time. You will need your paper and your pencils. Okay, are we ready? O. Watch how I write it. Remember, we've got to join, so watch really carefully. O. You see, I've got that line at the top, so the line from my top of my O to my W joins them together. Now that is a little bit, the O is a little bit too big there, so I'm going to make it the same size. O. And the two letters are the same size as each other. So make sure yours are. Off you go. Oh, blow the snow. Write that on. Oh, blow the snow. How are you doing? Brilliant. Make sure the O comes first and then the W. Don't get them mixed up. Okay, have a look at mine. Check yours looks like mine. Brilliant. Okay, your turn. I. Off you go. Yesterday's special friend. There weren't two letters, there were three. I. I fly high. Can you remember what it looks like? If you can do the join, that's fantastic. Don't worry if you can't. I. Okay. Have a look at mine. Are we ready? It's a three-letter special friend. I'm joining by, but if you can't, don't worry, because it is quite difficult to join. I. Make sure yours looks like mine. Really important that the letters are in the right place, okay? And that you're not putting them in the wrong order, otherwise it's not going to say I. And remember, I don't want to see this one unless you're writing the word I. That's not the one we want to see. Okay, can you do ch? Ch. Going back to the old ones. Ch. Chicken. Chop. Chew. Fabulous. Have a look at mine. Make sure yours looks like mine. Super. Well done. Really lovely handwriting. I love to see your handwriting in the pictures that you send in as well, which is really good. Okay, spelling time. 3 fingers. Snow. Pinch the sounds for, I'll do it on this hand, it's easier. Pinch the sounds for snow. S, N, O. Underline your special friend. S, N, O. Underline your special friend. S, N, O. You done it? Have a look at mine. S, N, O. Special friend underline. Brilliant. S, N, O. Snow. You can see all those letters are the same size. Give yourself a tick for S, for N, or for O. Correct it if you need to. Brilliant. Well done. Let's have the word bright. 4 fingers. Bright. B-r-I-t. Underline your special friend. Let's do that again. B-r-I-t. Off you go. B-r-I-t. B-r-I-t. Keep saying the sounds as you write them. B-r-I-t. Good. Shout the sounds out for me. Crocodile snaps, remember. B-r-I-t. underline my special friend. Bright, bright. Give yourself a tick or correct the b, the r, the I and the t. Okay, and the last word that we're going to write today is the word spray. 4 sounds again. S, p, r, a. Sp, r, a. Write it and underline your special friends. Sp, r, a. Sp, r, a. Sp, r, a. Okay, have we done it? Shout the sounds out so that I can write it. S, p, r, a. Underline my special friend. Sp, r, a. Spray. Give yourself a tick for s, for p, for r, and for a. Super. Okay, excellent spelling today. We're going to start our reading now. Okay, so we've got our 2 piles of words, and our first pile, special friends, Fred talk, read the word. Let me move our whiteboard out of the way so that you can see. Okay, special friends, Fred talk, read the word. I'll start. Special friends, oh, there's 2 there. Sh and O. Fred talk. Sh, O, show. Now, look at this one here. This is a special friend. This letter K is silent. Shh. We don't hear it. So all we say is N. So the 2 letters together say N. N, O, no. Okay, that is I know it's raining today. Not the red word. Let me get my red words for you. Which is somewhere in here. Well, let me write it on here so you can see it. The red word that we normally know is that one, okay? That is different to this one. That is no, you are not going outside today. This one is I know, you know something, okay? So, I'm going to mix it in with some of the other words, and I would like you to have a go. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word. Special friends, look for the dashes. Fred talk. Bright. Bright now. When I started it was dark. Special friends. Fred talk. Low. And something's really quite close to the ground. It's low. Low down. Special friend. Fred talk. Slow. I am talking slow. Special friend. Fred talk. Blow. Special friend. Fred talk. Snow. We had a lot of that and we're meant to get some more. 2 special friends and Fred talk. 3. Special friend, remember this one? And Fred talk. No. I know you're good at blending. Special friends and Fred talk. Show. Show me how good you are at blending. And we're back to the beginning. Fantastic. Our next pile, no dots and dashes. Lots of sounds that you've already learnt. Some words with 4 or maybe 5 sounds in them, so you've got to be careful. First time round, special friend, Fred talk, read the word. If there isn't a special friend, just shake your head, okay? Second time round, Secret thread in your head. And third time round, speedy read. Okay. And wait till I push it forward. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. I'm not going to say read the word, I'm just going to push it forward. Special friend. Fred talk. 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 Ooh, didn't like that. Special friend. 2 letters, 1 sound. Fred talk. Fluff. 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 2 special friends. Fred talk. Special friend. Fred talk. And we're back to the beginning. Well done. What do we do now? Secret thread in our head. Mix it, come on. Okay. Secret thread in your head. So we just go. Thing. Okay. Your turn. Off you go. Secret thread in your head. Done. Okay, mix them up one more time. This time, speedy read. So I'm just going to move them back. Watch me. Night, fluff, prop. Are you ready? Off you go. Keep going. How are we doing? Super speedy reading there. If you need it a bit longer, that's absolutely fine. You just need to pause the video, go back and do it again. Okay? I'd really like to see if you could get your grown-ups to film you doing these green cards, because it's really helpful for me to see how you're getting on with your reading. Okay? Remember, you've got to do your phonics every day, 2 times a day if you can. All right? And make sure you pop it all on Dojo when you've done it. Super. Well done. See you tomorrow.